Now that we have all of our clues created, let's create our lock form for our game players to break out. I like to create a Post-it or a piece of paper where I'm jotting down all of my clues and their answers so that when I go to create the lock form, it's easier. So I've started the lock form. I gave it a title. I know my first lock is going to be a 9-letter word lock. And then you're going to want to change the settings. You want it to be required. And then these 3 dots, you're going to add a description and you're going to add a response validation. So for the description, I want them to know it's going to be in all caps. And then since this is a word lock, I need to change it to text, contains, and where it says text, I'm going to type my answer. So the answer to the first lock is committee. And they're going to read my snoot, and watch the video, I'm Just a Bill, to figure out that answer. And then where it says custom error message, this is where you can write still locked, or you could write keep trying, or not right, or wrong, or you could provide some additional hint if you wanted. The next lock is a 7-digit number lock, and that was my science example. So we're going to again hit required and our 3 dots. We're going to add a description and the response validation. For the description for this number one, I'm going to say no spaces or commas. I want it to be a number. And then I'm changing this. I don't want it to be greater than. I want it to be equal to, because I want them to write the correct numbers. And our answer to the mitosis lock was 6, 5, 7, 1, 3, 2, 4. And for this one, I'm going to say keep trying. All right, and then you'll see I continued on with our math lock, with our News ELA article lock, and I gave directions, typed in the answers, and then my sneaky directional lock that's hidden in the welcome letter. So once you have all of those set, you're good to go. You might want to click preview and test it out.